Hi, this is Jeff with CarTeck Now. We just got in a shipment of the brand new 4K dashcam from Thinkware, the Thinkware U1000. This particular box is the front and rear package bundle. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. All right, first things first, the front camera for the Thinkware U1000. As you can see, it's completely brand new design, different from the Thinkware Q800s and the F800s, but still very sleek, very modern looking. That's what makes Thinkware such a great product. You got all the other dash cams on the market, very boxy, don't look very nice. Thinkware has always done a great job with their designs. Looks like it'll mount on the windshield just like this. Has 4K video at 30 frames per second, but brand new to the U1000 is you can change that setting to 2K at 60 frames per second. And that's gonna be completely on your preference. I personally use the 4K at 30 frames per second. I prefer that high video quality. Specific to the front and rear camera bundle, Thinkware includes their Cpl filter. This filter is actually really, really cool. It helps cut down on light reflection. It makes images more vivid. It has an adhesive backing. It'll just attach to the front camera lens, just like that. They also include microfiber cloth. This is usually sold separately, so it's a nice value add, included again in the front and rear camera bundles only. It does not come in the separate front camera bundle. The box includes a mount with 3M adhesive that'll go to the windshield. This part attaches to the U1000, slides right in, and then attaches to your windshield. Thinkware throws in an extra adhesive just in case. In terms of power supply, this box includes both the 12-volt power cable and the hard wiring cable. First, we got the 12-volt charger. This is gonna be the easiest way to install your new Thinkware U1000. This just plugs into your 12-volt cigarette lighter. This plugs right into the Thinkware camera. While this is the easiest, you're not gonna have parking surveillance mode. That's gonna be the important thing to know when using this, but it's simple, plug and play, you're good to go. Next, we got the hard wiring cable. The hard wiring cable, while it's more difficult to install, it's going to enable parking surveillance mode. It's considered a professional install. You're gonna have to have wire strippers. You're gonna need to be familiar with the electronics and wiring in your vehicle. But if you want the parking surveillance, you're gonna need to do the hard wiring cable instead of the 12-volt cable. Shameless plug here. Let's talk really quickly about something that's not included in the box. And that's the Obd2 Harness, sold only at CarTeckNow.com and created specifically to power Thinkware dash cams. Just like the hard wiring cable, this is gonna enable parking surveillance. But you don't need any wiring. It just plugs into your Obd2 port and you're good to go. All right, now back to the unboxing. We have the video cable that connects the rear camera to the front camera. This also is going to power the rear camera. It's long enough to run all the way from the back of the car to the front of the car. We got some cable clips, which you'll use to hold your cables in place. Now to the 2K rear camera, which is obviously used to shoot what's happening out the rear of your vehicle. Comes in at 2K video at 30 frames per second. Again, if you prefer a higher frame rate, you can change that setting to 1080p at 60 frames per second. But at 2K, 30 frames per second, this new rear camera is gonna rival most front cameras. Now just some accessories here. This box comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card and SD reader, but the capacity of the Thinkware U1000 is all the way up to 128 gigs. It also includes a USB micro SD card reader. You can put the micro SD card right into here, and it goes right into your USB port of your computer. And of course, we got the product manual and some documentation. that's it for the Thinkware U1000 unboxing. If you have any questions, please leave some comments below. For more information on Thinkware U1000, be sure to check out our product video here on YouTube. And of course, for all the greatest deals on Thinkware dash cams, visit CarTeckNow.com.